Hey, all right, I'm back again with another unboxing. Maybe I'll put these together on one video, maybe I won't. But I was talking about an auction I got some figures from, or some statues. This is another gallery diorama. This is Michonne from The Walking Dead. I always thought it was Michonne. I had to look up the pronunciation, but The Walking Dead, if you ever watched it, that's a crazy series, man. They got, well, The Walking Dead happening. These guys are just trying to survive. And it's a trippy show. I saw this figure, and it was in an auction for comic books only, but they did have a few of these in there. I think there was 100 pages in that auction, and each page had about 20 items. So I scrolled through, but typically you can search for statues pretty quick, but this one, I just scrolled through every page really quick, and I happened to find some that a lot of people, I guess, didn't even make it that far into the auction. So I bid, and I won these. So I won the Agent Smith. I got this one, and I got another one. So I'm going to open this one here, and we're going to take Michonne out of the box so she can protect the house from the Walking Dead. Oh, this one's packaged pretty tight. I always keep the boxes, like I said. Try to be careful with them. There we go. All right, so this was also brand new. Okay, so give me just a second. We're gonna take her out again here, guys. So this Michonne here is based on her from the comic book, and it's very well detailed like the other one. Let me get a closer look in a moment here, but you can see the hair, see the scarf is moving. Now you can see the clothing, they have to go around and they're just getting clothes wherever they can. Now the show, I believe, is based on it's a sheriff who wakes up from a coma. I think that's the first episode anyway. And he sees that the dead have risen from the grave and are eating us all. So it kind of follows like the trials, tribulations of people that are still alive. So as part of a horror, it's also kind of a drama. There's a lot of things happening in this show, so it's a good watch. I like it. But there's a lot of episodes, a lot of spin-offs. So I haven't watched all the spin-offs. I've watched some Walking Dead. I haven't watched a lot, compared to how many spin-offs there are. I'm surprised I haven't gone to space yet. But anyway, there's Michonne. She's got her sword. It's a katana. You can see, I guess she must have chopped his head off here. There's broken bottles. Once again, you got front and back. You got plenty of detail. Look at the mud. You got the laces. Socks are rolled down. You can see the wear in the shoes and the pants, the jacket. You can see the movement. As she's doing the sword, you can see the clothes move with her. I mean, it's a very good job. I guess something was on fire there. Who knows? Well, let's take a closer look. I'll show you all here. Give me a moment. Okay, so here is Michonne. Look at the gloves. You can see her hands through the gloves. You can see all the detail in there. It's really cool. Now these PVC ones, I like getting these. These are really good. I mean, you get a lot of detail for the price. These are usually 35, 40 bucks. I've been seeing gallery ones go up to 75 or 80. But I mean, you can see everything in here. It looks, they put a background, it's a little diorama. It looks really good. I think she's gonna be a great addition to my collection here. Where she's going, I don't know. I'll probably have to do something with that and put some more stuff there. And of course, you can hear my puppies in the background, maybe. All right, what is this smoke? broken glass, pieces of stone. I mean, they did her hair. I mean, everything is moving. Looks really good. So, you know, if you don't want to spend full price, you know, maybe get on these auctions. You can get a few figures. I got these 3. I got Smith, Michonne. I've got another one I'm going to show in a minute. All for like 28 bucks. Brand new. All right, look at that steely eye. Look of concentration. Getting them. Just going to do that again. All right. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this. You know. And let me show another one. Give me just a second. Well, I thought I'd show this one too. This is a big boy. I think the only place left is in California, because that's where I had to get this guy from. When I was growing up as a kid, there was a Kip's Big Boy diner down the street. You know, I'd go there with my parents once in a while. When they'd take me out, they had like silver dollar pancakes. I would get spaghetti. They had the double burger, which is this here, where McDonald's probably stole the idea from. But I've always liked these statues. You'd walk up, there'd be like, how tall do you think that little big boy was, babe, or the big boy? 7 feet? It was pretty tall, huh?
Yeah, it was pretty tall.
It was huge. So what's this guy, always smiling, got the big burger. And it just reminded me of when I was a kid going there. That was back when you could smoke. They had a smoking section in these restaurants. So even if you went to the non-smoking, guess what? You were smoking. So it's pretty funny. Let's get him a little under the light here. He's got that smile, happy look. He's running that order to your table. And I used to always keep the menus. They had stickers, keychains. They always had a lot of little merch there, but this I just ordered. I had to get it delivered because I was not going to California just to get one, but I really wanted one. I got a few of the Funko ones, but this straight from the restaurant is better. It means a little more to me because this is what you can get at the restaurant. I don't know if it's Frisch's Big Boy, what it's called over there, but over here it was Kip's, and then I know they changed to Shoney's. And there's a street here in Houston that has, there's a lot. I think it's on Westheimer. They seem to have all the big boy statues from all over the place. I think there's like 14 in there. It's crazy. I would love one for my backyard, but since I can't do that, I got him. So enjoy. Right, Mr. Big Boy? All right.